Today in this video I'm gonna explain hard reset Lenovo Tab M10 Zen 2. Power off your tablet by holding the power button and selecting power off. When the device is off, press and hold the power button and volume up simultaneously until you see the Lenovo logo. Once you see the Android recovery mode, navigate using the volume keys and select wipe data or factory reset. Confirm the selection by pressing the power button. Confirm your decision to wipe data by selecting yes and wait for the device to restart. After the hard reset is completed, the device will reboot and you will see the Android setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. After the reset is complete, your tablet will be completely reset back to its original factory settings as if it were just purchased. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.